As shown on the chart above, if you're currently in an uptrend and you're seeing strong upward price movement, the histogram on the MACD is also moving up above the line. As the trend runs out of steam or when the price rallies, the histogram moves back towards the center line. By the same token, if you're in a downtrend, strong price movement is indicated as the histogram falls below the center line. Trading the trends. Now that we've covered everything that you need to know about trends, let's talk about a simple system for trading the trends. The fact is that it's impossible to predict what the market is going to do. So we need to do the next best thing. By realizing that trends do become established and then riding those trends, we can help ensure we win more trades than we lose, thus growing our account over time. Before we talk about how to trade, we first need to determine the length of time you'll trade for. Many traders like to trade day trades, with trades that are over in 1 day to 1 week. If this sounds like you, then you should be trading the 30-minute or hourly charts. On the other hand, if you don't mind bigger stops and longer trades, you may want to consider trading the 4-hour or daily charts. Your trades will last longer, but the trends will also be more established and can leave you with much larger profits over time. Once you've determined what time frame you want to trade, you're ready to use all that you've learned to ride the trends. We'll make it a step-by-step system to make it easy to trade. Step 1. Draw your trend lines. To find the current market sentiment and also to set your stops, if you do decide to trade, you need to draw the trend lines on the chart that you are trading. Step 2. Chart the support resistance levels. On the same chart and on 2 time frames longer, note the major support resistance levels. If the price is very near to a major resistance or support level, you should wait to trade until the price has moved through it. Step 3. Look at your trend line. If the price action of the trend line you drew has a very steep slope, don't trade that particular trend. If you don't mind risk, you actually can trade, but in general, steep trends will run out of steam faster. Step 4. Confirm with technical indicators. Using either the stochastic or MACD indicator, look to ensure that the indicator agrees with your trend, i.e. in an uptrend, the indicator is also moving up. Step 5. Determine the stage of the trend. Finally, before you trade, you should try to determine what stage the trend is in. The best time to trade is always in the fully charged stage. You can trade the beginning or the aging trend if you don't mind a little more risk, but you should avoid trying to ride a trend that is nearing its end. Step 6. Make the trade. Enter your buy or sell orders according to the trend and set your stop loss to at least 20 pips on the other side of the trend line. This will ensure that you have room to breathe in the trade and allow you to ride the trend. Once you've entered the trade, you should watch your trade and exit when it looks like the trend is losing steam. Some traders like to trail their stops to protect profits as the trend continues. If you choose to do this, ensure you leave enough room for the consolidation periods or you may end up losing some of those profits. At the very least, you should keep your stop trailing at least 20 pips back of the trend line. Another thing to note is when to enter the trade. Although you can enter whenever you feel it's right, one way that works well is to enter on the bounce. If you watch the price and the trend line you drew, you'll see the price tends to bounce off the line. If you enter within a few pips of the bounce, i.e. when the price is nearing the trend line, you can use smaller stops and still profit well from the trend. Okay, so we have gone through the first of the 2 different trading strategies that we want to share with you. And keep in mind, they're just an introduction to the concepts and strategies within our all-new Sublime Forex Champions program. The whole second system will be revealed in our next installment in this video series. And I expect it'll be ready in a few days, so be on the lookout for it. Anyway, right now, maybe you're wondering why we flat out give you 2 different strategies that cater to 2 different market scenarios. You see, the reason is that I want to demonstrate every trader needs multiple trading systems. Each one is built specifically for a particular market condition and should be applied in that market condition. Well, talking about market conditions, I'm sure you've heard traders referring to certain trading conditions as being bad. But the truth is, I want you to note this down. Read it and reread it again and again until you are completely convinced. In fact, there is no such thing as bad market conditions. There's only market environment that is unsuitable for a certain trading strategy, and thus is considered bad for those particular strategies, while many other strategies may work well at that very same environment. In other words, the Forex market is very dynamic, and in order to consistently profit in the Forex market, you'll need not only one strategy, not even 2 strategies, but a complete trading solution, which comprises of different strategies. each one designed for a different market environment so you can adapt to and profit out of any given market condition. Most Forex trading systems only target and focus on a specific market environment. This leaves a trader either sitting on the sidelines waiting for the right opportunity or letting their emotions take over, leading to jumping into the market using a faulty strategy under wrong market conditions. If this sounds all too familiar, we have the answers for you in our free training webinar. On the webinar, we'll cover a few different trading strategies, which include the one we have gone through above, and another which will be covered in the next video of the series, but in much, much more details, so that you'll be able to trade with absolute confidence and pull massive amounts of profit from the Forex market no matter what the conditions are. So here's what you need to do. Go to www.sublimeforexchampions.com/webinar and reserve your seat right now. I'm going to warn you up front. Although it's free, the webinar is not for everyone. It's intensive, very intensive training. And if you're one of those opportunity seekers who jumps on the bandwagon just to look for some quick fix to mend your trading, that's not for you. Absolutely not. But if you're willing to start transforming yourself into a strategic trader today, meaning right now, that you're willing to put the opportunity seeker habits of procrastination, indecisiveness, and self-doubt aside and work together with me and the unique processes that I've designed for you, together we can build up your trading arsenal and transform you into a Forex champion. On the webinar, you'll get to know how to significantly cut down the learning curve and catapult your success to an expert trader, because our purpose and complete focus at Sublime Trading Solutions here has been developing unique processes that transform struggling traders into massively successful Forex champions in the fastest, easiest, and most result-certain way ever developed. And the secrets that happen to the thousands of traders we've already helped are definitely going to work for you. During the webinar, we're going to show you how to start trading smarter and be more confident by mastering the simple yet elegant strategies and flexibly applying them to different market conditions. We also will demonstrate live how our new training program, Sublime Forex Champions, incorporates all these trading strategies with top-notch, state-of-the-art pieces of software into what we call the HATS. Hybrid Adaptive Trading Solutions, to bring out the best of both automated and traditional trading solutions and give you the exact skills, tools, and confidence to trade like a true Forex champion. With the Sublime Forex Champions and the HATS, you will learn exactly what to do in every possible market condition to identify when the markets are transitioning to a different condition and adjust your positions accordingly. So, now here's what you need to do. Go to www.sublimeforexchampions.com/webinar to register for your seat. And I'll see you in the webinar.